Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Because Krishna, the absolute truth, is Anandamaya, therefore Eka Bahushyama, he has become many. We are also Krishna's part and parcel to give pleasure to Krishna. And the chief pleasure potency is Radha. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikiti, Allahadini Shakti, Asmat, Ekatmanamapi Bhuvo, Deho Bhedo Gatauta, Chaitanya Prakata Madhuna, Taddayam Chaitkam Aptam, Radha Bhava Subulitam Namami Krishna Sarupam. So, Krishna is Parabrahma, as you know from the Bhagavad-gita. When Arjuna understood Bhagavad-gita, he affirmed Krishna, Parabrahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram Paramam Bhavan. So Krishna is Parabrahma. So, in this material world we see that a great saintly person, simply to enjoy Brahmananda, he gives up everything a material enjoyment. He becomes sannyasi. Aham Brahmasmi. Just to understand that he is in Brahma realization. So, if one has to give up everything material for Brahma realization, do you think that Parabrahma, the Supreme Brahma, can enjoy anything material? No. Krishna's enjoyment is nothing material. This point should be understood. For Brahma realization, we are giving up everything material. And how Parabrahma can enjoy anything material? This question has been very much nicely discussed by Jiva Goswami. So, when the Parabrahma, first of all, the Parabrahma information is not there in this material world. Little Brahma information is there, or little Paramatma information is there, but not Parabrahma or Bhagavan information. Therefore it is said, Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddhaya. Siddhaya means to understand Brahma or Paramatma. But out of many such persons who have realized Brahma and Paramatma, hardly a person can know Krishna. And that, first of all, what we can understand about Krishna's pleasure potency. Just like if I want to know some big man, that is one process. And without knowing that big man, how I can understand about his internal affairs? Similarly, if we do not understand Krishna, how we can understand how Krishna is enjoying? That is not possible. But the Goswamis, they are giving us information, what is the pleasure potency of Krishna. That is Srimati Radharani. So we have described about the Radha Krishna loving affairs in our teachings of Lord Chaitanya. In page 264, if you have got this book, you can read it. How the reciprocation of loving affairs of Radha Krishna is there, transcendent. So our today prayer to Radharani, we pray to Radharani because she is the pleasure potency of Krishna. Krishna means all attractive. But Radharani is so great that she attracts Krishna. Krishna is all attractive and she is attractive of Krishna. So what is the position of Srimati Radharani? We should try to understand this day and offer our obeisances to Radharani. Radhe Vrindavaneshwari, Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Radhe Vrindavaneshwari, Vrishabhanusute Devi, Pranamami Haripriya. Our business is, Radharani, you are so dear to Krishna. You are the daughter of King Vrishabhanu, and you are so dear to Krishna. So we offer our respectful obeisances unto you. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Radhe Vrindavaneshwari, Vrishabhanusute Devi, Pranamami Haripriya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,